Here we have Avalanche, symbol AVAX versus the dollar. And we have, yet again, actually a pretty simple chart right here. You got your daily range highs right around 73 and change. Let's call it 73 and 20 cents. As long as you're below there, I wouldn't necessarily be looking for any sort of, or validate any sort of breakout with targets up in this case, probably to, mid 80s, 84 to 86 region. 4-hour time frame. I do see a slew of higher lows right here, which is a good sign. So short term, can you see some pullbacks down around your trend line support, about $6.50, and put another higher low? Yeah, definitely possible. But ultimately, as long as you're holding these higher lows, I do look for this one more likely to break out to the upside than the downside. And this would also have a technical target. I'm going to imagine that's probably somewhere in line with what we were just saying. Yeah, around 84 and a half actually. So not bad right there. But that is contingent upon validation. Invalidation would obviously be below about 65 and a quarter in this case. Your other time frame was a monthly that you wanted to look at. Not a fan of the monthly. I do think that this one does come down further over time, over a long enough time horizon. That could still take 3-4 months. So short term, bit of bounce, probably a bit of bounce alongside the rest of the market. Understand where the invalidation areas are, and if they are hit, I would be looking for probably another move down to $55 lows. Other than that, is there anything obvious over here perhaps? Maybe stochastic momentum is just in a bit of a different picture. So let's go reference that. See what the 4 hour is looking like. 4-hour is nice and vertical above $66, which you are currently trading about 3.5 above, which is good. Daily is also good as well, above 62.9, so that is nice. And 5-day is going to turn above 77.3, so still got some work to do there. And the buy daily is also turning up as well. So I do look at this one as a lot more likely to trade towards the upside, maybe into the mid 80s upon that validation. Long term, however, Long term, I would express a bit of skepticism that this is going to be the next major macro low, but that doesn't mean that it can't trade back up even into the $100 region, maybe around end of February or so. But next move, I'm looking a little more up than down in this case, assuming that the invalidation is not hit. So hopefully that's helpful. And there you go for AVAX, sir.